Glam Squad, what's up? This is your girl Dalou. Today I am going to give you a tour of my master bedroom / decorating my master bedroom with me. Right now I am hanging some curtains that I got from Amazon. They are not new. I got them approximately 4 years ago. I had taken them down to wash them and now I'm just hanging them back. Each curtain came with 2 layers, a sheer top layer and a thicker layer. Although they are light colors, but they are definitely blackout curtains. I would say approximately 90% blackout. So they are perfectly fine for me in the bedroom. In this particular window, I'm adding 3 sets of curtains versus my regular 2 sets of curtains that I normally have. Yes, you guys, I would love it if you stick around so you can see the finished look. Also, stay tuned. At the end of this video, I will be announcing the first winner for my giveaway. This video is supposed to be out since last weekend. However, I was having some technical difficulties, so I was not able to upload the video. So yeah, I apologize to those of you who are waiting for the giveaway. And the second winner will be announced at the end of the weekend as well. Let me take this opportunity to welcome all of you who are new to my channel. I upload glam home decor and DIY videos. Please take this opportunity to subscribe and turn on your notification bell so you don't miss anything as soon as I upload. And to my returning Glam Squad, thank you so much for all of your love and support. And please, if you like today's video, make sure to give it a thumbs up and share it with all of your friends and your family. I do have an assistant for this week, and this is Mr. Amir. Last week, his little brother helped me out. This week, he wanted to make sure he got his turn on the spotlight. But seriously, I love it when they help me out. On my last video, I did a haul covering most of the new items that I purchased for the bedroom. Please check out the haul to find out where some of the items came from. Stay tuned, I will be going over the items that were not on the haul. I'm going to show you how I hide the wire for the TV and incorporating the TV box into my decor. Right now I have the box sitting on top of a decorating book. Not only I needed some height, but also for a better blend. And I'm using this vase with these flowers to black it. I'm taking down some of the flowers to make sure that none of them is blacking the TV. Me gustaría dedicar esta música a todos mis latinas y latinos Glam Squad. Te quiero mucho. This music is dedicated to all of my Latinas and Latino Glam Squad. I love you much. If you're more into simple things, you can definitely leave it like that. It's super cute and very pretty and still glam as well. But as for me, because it is the holiday season, I've decided to add some more bling. on the dresser. I'm quickly gonna go on YouTube to add a fireplace video on my TV, and we are done. Let's see what it looks like.
Palpita, siempre he sido tu chiquita. ¿Cuántos te amos van ahorita? Yo ya perdí la cuenta. Quiero decirte que te amo. Ya van segundos y te extraño. Que dure siempre esta casualidad. Es que los otros no entenderán lo que se siente ser amigos, ser tan buen amantes, baby, un poquito más. Que dure siempre esta casualidad. Es que los otros no entenderán lo que se siente ser amigos, ser tan buen amantes, baby, un poquito más.
Once again, I want to point out everything on this bed was on my last haul. And there are many items that were on the haul that did not make it to this video. Please check it out. You may actually like it. Let's talk about the bed. It is from a local store nearby in Farmingdale, Long Island, New York. I bought it 4 years ago. I don't know if they still carry it. On the bed, I have a gold tray from Macy's that has some flowers, chocolate, and a candle, 2 crystals that are normally on the nightstand. I like to keep them there because they are personalized with our name on them, but this time I've decided to put them on the tray. The rug is from All Modern. I bought it many years ago. I'm not sure if I'm gonna be able to find a link for it. It is a good rug. It is really soft. This is my husband's side of the bed. On the nightstand, I'm using a wall mirror that I got from Amazon as a tray. It's a very nice mirror. Let me show you what it looks like. This is it. I love the border. It is super stylish. The glam vase is from Home Goods. The flowers are from Joanne, part of the holiday collection. My glam lamp is from HomeSense. And I have a candle and candle holder from Home Goods. And on the back I have his books because he likes to read before he goes to bed, and the Echo Show from Amazon to communicate with the kids throughout the house and listen to the music. On my side, I pretty much have the same thing, except I don't have any books out. Let me show you behind the flower. I have my phone charger. This is a close-up of the nightstand. The 2 side mirrors are from Home Goods and the 3 small ones are from HomeSense. On this side, I have this gorgeous wall art. I am in love with it. Over here, I have a little bar area / reading area. I know, right? Well, no one said you cannot get a drink while you're reading. Yes, guys, I have the bar card that I got from Mrs. Backstage on clearance. Maybe I paid $50 for it. I got it a few years ago. Next to it are two stylish chairs that I got from Wayfair. The chairs are very beautiful, but I will not recommend them because the qualities are not the best. I will not put a link for them. And I thought I would add these bold gold pillows in there just to spice up the room a little bit. The pillowcases are from Amazon, and the insert are just pillows that I already had around. The rug is from Burlington or Home Goods. At the bottom of the cart, I have this drink. It's not like we're going to drink it, but it's pretty. And everything else is from Home Goods. The glasses were purchased many years ago. And on top, this candle, you guys, it smells so good. I don't know how many I have to put in there to explain to you guys how good it smells. And on top of it, it's super pretty and stylish. I recently got it from Home Goods. I have one bottle of wine, my favorite wine, with only 5% of alcohol, which is pretty great. And I also want to show you guys these glasses. I also got them from Home Goods. They are new for this year, but they are flying off the shelf. At the store, they have matching plates. Just wanted to share that with you guys since it is the holiday season. And on the wall, I have the exact same wall art that was on the other side next to the nightstand by the window. I have a moment each time I see this wall art. It's just so pretty. The dresser and the nightstands are from Amazon. I bought them many years ago. Pretty much everything on top of the dresser are from Home Goods. Except for this flower on the back of the bouquet. This one is from Burlington. I did not have enough of the holiday flowers, so I just mixed them up. And the decorative book is from Amazon. Links for everything that I purchased from Amazon will be in the description box. Once again, I wanted to show this to you guys just in case if you preferred a simpler look. Over here, I have another sitting area, which I call family area. We spend a lot of time here playing with the kids and just hanging out whenever we are in the bedroom. The ottomans are from Amazon. Rugs from HomeSense. Gold table from Wayfair. Coaster and vase from Home Goods, and the bench is from Wayfair. Down in the hallway, whenever I open the bedroom door, the first thing that I see is this wall art. I got them from Home Goods. It's a total of 2 pieces. Just to give you guys an idea, the door on the left is my closet and on the right is my master bathroom. The clock is from HomeSense, and the mirror is from Home Goods, of course, and the outlet cover from Amazon. The chandelier is from Amazon. I'd like to say a big congratulations to my fellow Glam Squad, Richemie B. Richemie, congratulations, you are the first winner of the $50 Home Goods gift card giveaway. Please put a comment below to respond to this announcement. You have 3 days to do that. Once again, congratulations and thank you to all of you for your love and support. In my next video, I will be announcing the next winner. You still have a chance to participate. Link for the giveaway video and to register will be in the description box. This was it for today, guys. I hope you have enjoyed today's video. If you do, please give it a big thumbs up and share it with all of your friends and your family. Please be sure to subscribe and turn on your notification bell so you can get notified once I upload a new video. I thank you for your time today and I look forward to seeing you in my next video. I love you. Bye-bye.